On today's episode of Stick Shift Hot Wheels, you will learn how to do a wheel swap on the Hot Wheels ID Bone Shaker chase model. For the Bone Shaker, I'm a little nervous about this one, but here we go. Oh, yeah baby, here we go. Got that pop pop. Oops. It's been a minute since I've done this. Boom. Yeah, buddy. There's the inside of the Hot Wheels ID chip. Welcome to Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I will be doing a quick wheel swap on this Hot Wheels ID Bone Shaker chase model. It comes in Spectra Flame green, which looks absolutely amazing, but for some reason Hot Wheels chose to pair it with bright blue plastic wheels, and I think this car can look a lot better. To remedy this, I purchased a Hot Wheels ID Rip Rod. It features clear lime green wheels, and I have a feeling that they're going to look absolutely amazing on this Bone Shaker. They feature chrome spokes. Both cars have 2 rivets on clear plastic bases. Why this clear plastic base is yellow is beyond me. It should be clear green. It's like sometimes Hot Wheels, your choices are just maddening. Why? So I'm going to drill these out and we're going to swap the wheels. One thing to note is these Hot Wheels Rip Rod wheels are one size smaller than the Bone Shaker wheels. The front wheels of the Bone Shaker are actually the same diameter as the rear wheels on the Rip Rod. I really want to see what this looks like, so here we go. So to drill the car, you just need a drill. Hold the car steady and drill. Now, unfortunately, you will drill into the plastic some. Now, after you get it drilled, you should be able to wedge the car free from the base. I probably actually drilled it a little too much, but it's been a minute since I've done this. Boom. Yeah, buddy. There we go. There's the inside of the Hot Wheels ID chip. And if you're lucky, the wheels will just pop free. For the Bone Shaker, I'm a little nervous about this one, but here we go. This does get slightly messy. So the hard part with the Bone Shaker apparently is just It's going to be wedging it apart. Oh, yeah, baby, here we go. Got that pop, pop. Okay. So here's the bone shaker, the naked chassis. It's time for the swap. So it's held on by these little tabs here. Oops. Boom. They're a little brittle, but they're in at least. Boom. Okay, it's not pretty, but at least it's in.
That's what she said!
Alright, now let's see if I can just snap this back together.
Oh, snap!
Oh yeah, that worked beautifully. One of the axles may be a little bent. The next step is to drill this to tap it, but I don't think it's needed. Car rolls just as good. Boom! And here we have it, my custom Hot Wheels ID Chase Bone Shaker in Spectra Flame Lime Green with custom clear lime green and chrome wheels from the Hot Wheels ID Rip Rod. And I think it looks absolutely amazing. The colors of the wheels and the color of the paint matches absolutely perfectly. I was right. Hot Wheels should have made the chase piece like this. It looks absolutely amazing. It's a little weird having these wheels be the wrong sizes because the Bone Shaker has the larger wheels in the rear. So the car actually sits lower to the ground. The exhaust is lower to the ground than a regular Bone Shaker. If you have this custom Bone Shaker next to, for example, the Rip Rod, it looks great. But if you put a regular Bone Shaker next to this custom Bone Shaker with the small wheels, then you can totally tell that something's a little bit off. But right now, looking at it, looks absolutely fantastic. I'm really happy with this swap. It was quick and easy. The blue wheels on this car originally looked completely out of place. So if you have one of these Chase Bone Shakers, you should definitely do this swap because it will totally transform the look of this amazing Bone Shaker vehicle. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch some of these other related Hot Wheels videos. I have another video on how to drill and tap Hot Wheels that goes into a lot more detail, which you may find helpful. Happy Hot Wheels customizing!